Hello everyone. Today we have come to watch a beautiful falls here in Switzerland, that is Rhine Falls. Look at this breathtaking views of the Rhine Falls here. It's so beautiful. Look at this. It is actually 150 meters wide and around 23 meters high, and it is very close to Zurich city. We took around 45 minutes to reach here. We came by car, and there are also public transport available. You can even reach by train, even that takes around 45 minutes. It is very close to Zurich city, and also it is very close to Schaffhausen, Switzerland.
The best time to visit this Rhine Falls depends on what you wish to experience, but generally late spring and early summer are ideal. Summer offers the highest water volume, with peak flow usually in June and July. This is the busiest season, so expect more visitors. Whereas in autumn season, that is from September to November, you can expect a quieter and more peaceful ambience. This is ideal for those who prefer a less crowded experience. Even though we are standing 200 meters far from the falls, we can still feel its mist in the air and the roar of the waterfalls.
Actually, this falls, right? This is one of the largest falls in Europe. So beautiful, right?
Here there are variety of boat rides available.
These are having different durations. One is of 15 minutes, one is of 30 minutes. The 30 minutes one, it will take you around the lake. I think it's going to be a longer ride. If you have some time, then please make sure you take the 30 minutes ride. It's going to be really a fun experience. So we are also going on our way to experience this boat ride. So I'll just go towards the ticket counter and I'll provide you all the details. We came there by car and we walked all the way down, and now we are going towards the ticket counter. Let's go. So this is the information about the tickets. So these are the tickets information, one for the rock tour, that is the yellow boat, and one for 15 minutes ride, that is the blue color boat, and another one is the pink color boat, that is for 30 minutes duration. So these are the actual description of different rides. The first one is the rock tour. This is the yellow boat ride. It will take you around the lake and it will even go till middle of the rock, and it will wait for 20 minutes. This is for CHF 20. And this one is the red boat. This is the Rhine crossing. It takes around 3 minutes and it takes CHF 3 for one person. And the blue boat, this is 15 minutes Rhine Falls round trip. It will just take you around 15 minutes, and this is CHF 8. And the last one is the pink boat. This is taking you 30 minutes and it's a audio guide round trip. It takes you around CHF 11. So we are going for this rock tour. Now we have taken this ticket for yellow boat ride, and now we are on the way to go and experience it.
As you board the boat from designated docks, the journey begins with a smooth ride on this river. approach the falls, you can feel the power of water and also capture some beautiful pictures. The boat stops at a small dock near the rock. Now it's time to climb to the platform. The climb is manageable but requires careful footing due to the steep steps. Once at the top, you can enjoy the 360-degree panoramic views of the falls and surrounding areas. This is the perfect spot for stunning photos and videos. As you can see here, it is surrounded by the falls on the sides, making it a truly immersive experience. After spending time on the weaving platform at the top of the rock, you will start your journey to descent. The steps are narrow and steep. The descent provides a different perspective of the falls and the river as the viewing angles change with every step. Irrespective of any season, the best time of the day to visit this falls would be early in the morning and late in the afternoon.
We just finished our boat rides here in Rhine Falls. It was really worth it because it has got the scenic beauty, boat tours, and accessibility. And even if you come during the evening hours, you'll have a lot of illumination with lot of colors being at the end of the queue, because we got the front view, because we're so close to the actual falls. When we go near, very close by, as you all know, this is one of the largest falls in the Europe. So make sure you make a visit if you are around Zurich, spend few hours here and make good memories. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.